In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Minecraft Premium using PayPal in just a few simple steps. Whether you're upgrading to the Java and Bedrock edition for the first time, or simply choosing the deluxe package, this guide has got you covered. First things first, open your favorite web browser. Head over to Google and type in Minecraft. You'll want to click on the link that takes you to the official Minecraft website. Once you're there, you'll see options for different versions of the game. Today, we'll focus on the Java and Bedrock edition, which is the most comprehensive option, offering the best of both worlds when it comes to Minecraft gameplay. Next, you'll need to make a choice. Do you go for the deluxe PC edition for some extra perks, or stick with the standard PC edition? This decision depends on how much additional content you want. Once your decision is made, look for the checkout button on the website. Click on it, and then hit Next to proceed with your purchase. Now, there's a small step that might pop up before you can continue. You may be asked to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you already have one, you're good to go. Just enter your information to move forward. If not, setting up a Microsoft account is straightforward and helps maintain the security of your purchase. Once you're signed in, it's time to choose a payment method. Here, you will want to select e-wallets and then click on the option to sign in to PayPal. This step is where we integrate PayPal seamlessly into your transaction process. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page, where you'll need to enter your PayPal credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be prompted to authorize the payment. PayPal is known for its robust security features, so rest assured your payment will be safe and secure. Complete the authorization, and then you'll be redirected back to the Minecraft website where you can finalize your purchase. With the transaction completed, you should see a confirmation on your screen, and shortly after, you'll receive an email receipt. From there, you'll be all set to download your new version of Minecraft and start playing. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully purchased a Minecraft Premium account with PayPal. Now you're ready to enjoy limitless adventures and creative possibilities in the worlds of Minecraft. Happy gaming! And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching.